Hello beautiful lady, welcome to the cooler side of the internet. So today is actually a hair tutorial. This is something I've never done, but I'm so excited about the result and how it came out. I know, right? I'm looking so good. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a sleek low bun. Yep, a sleek low bun with your natural hair. So this is your sign that you don't really need so much money to look good, and you also don't need so much skill to always look put together at every time. Naturally, I'm this girl that doesn't even know how to comb my hair. Yes, I naturally don't know how to even comb my hair. So if I can do this, you can do it. The only things you need to do a sleek low bun is water. I have water and leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is optional. I also have my Eco Styling Gel. This gel, I'm so happy I discovered it. And then I also have this hair wax. It's actually optional. I just like to use it. Edge control. This is actually the one I use. You can use any one of your choice. And then rubber band. I love using rubber band on my hair. So I'm going to be teaching you a trick on how to use rubber band without it actually like cutting your hair or coming out with your hair afterwards. And then my set of comb, my big comb, then my, I don't know what it is called, maybe it's a rattle comb, I don't know, but you know, this mouth comb. And then I also have my hairbrush here with me. I'm going to use in doing, brushing the hair. I'm going to be using this one because my hair is not really that long, but I also wanted to have that thing at the back. So I'm going to be adding extensions to it. My hair is pre-washed. I washed it last night. So let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your hair is moist. We don't want to work on dry hair. And you don't have to put so much water. I actually forgot and I was baiting myself. Then you start combing it. Combing the hair just makes the whole process more easier to work with. If you see me looking this way, not looking into the camera, just know that I'm just trying to get my parts in, and my mirror is over here. And today I'm going to be doing like a side bun, like instead of straight side, because I feel like side hair gives it that it has a way of adding more, to the hair. So let's go into it. After combing your hair, you want to part the hair. So I am going to be doing like a side parting. If you want to do a straight parting, anyone, so just take your time and part your hair. It mustn't be perfect. In this side, we are not really into perfection or anything, but just give it your best shot. Just take your time and part your hair. Okay? So you're going to part it till you're satisfied. It mustn't be straight, but just give it your best. So after parting, you want to comb it, to remove, just to see what you're doing. You want to put every hair like where they are supposed to be. Just take your time, comb your hair, comb it, but not too much, gently. So after combing your hair, you want to apply your gel. So when it comes to the gel, don't be stingy about your gel. Be generous enough. So rub in that gel, rub it as much as you want. And one thing I love about this Eco Styling Gel is that it's very nice. I don't know how to explain, but it's not like any other gel I've used in my life before. It has a way of moisturizing your hair. It doesn't give you that gel-like feeling like when your hair is just strong. It keeps the hair in place. So I love using my hairbrush. So after combing it and putting the gel, I'll just go in with my hairbrush, to just brush it down. There's something that the hairbrush does that the comb will not do. The hairbrush has a way of just making everything sleek. I believe that the secret to this hairstyle is the hairbrush. Like the hairbrush just keeps everything in place. So while you're doing it, if anything is not in place, you can go ahead and add more gel to your hair. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to be stingy. Personally, I like going in with my hair wax. Why? Because the hair wax helps to keep those tiny hair in place. After that, I still just like to brush the hair till it's perfect. So this is it. This is how it's coming out. As I told you, Okay, you know, earlier I told you that I like using rubber band for my hair. So this is the hack. So if you have a rubber band, and then if your problem is that whenever you pack your hair with rubber band, it's when you remove it, it tends to cut your hair when it's coming out, right? So all you have to do is that before you apply the rubber band to your hair, you just make sure you oil it. Like you can use any hair oil. Make sure you rub oil on it. Like you see, I actually used my body cream to do it, and it came out well. So this is what it looks like now. So this part is another optional part. You can just leave it like that and you're good to go. But I love to add additional extensions to my hair. So I'm just going to weave. Normally you notice I packed the hair first. So after packing the hair, I arrange my extensions in a way that, and then I braid the remaining hair out. After braiding, I don't braid all the extensions. I just, wrap it, and then I start wrapping my remaining. This is actually how I like it, but then you can do it anyhow you want. And now the hair is looking good. This hair is coming out well. Otarudo baby, look at me now. Otarudo, this hair is so fine. Otarudo baby, when you know me, I'm Otarudo. I'm doing Otarudo things, Otarudo. So this is the part I'm going to use my edge control. And naturally, I don't know how to do my edges, but I'm just going to rub it. So after doing that, I love to tie my hair with my scarf. It just helps to make the process dry. So look at the final results. My God, I'm looking good. My God, this girl, you're looking so fine. Black queen. Yes, my bride price is going to be $2 million because this girl, she is too fine. So this is your sign that you don't really need so much money to look put together. So tell me, what do you think about the hairstyle? Did I nail it? Is this something you want to try? And what do you even think about my hair color?